Hi there, property investors. Welcome to the channel where we talk all things property related. If you want to safeguard the value of your investments, keep your tenants happy, and avoid costly surprises, then today's topic, the importance of property maintenance, is for you. In this video, we'll dive into what you, as a South African property investor, need to know about maintaining your properties. We'll explore the types of maintenance required, how to budget for it, tax implications, and much more. Let's get started. The type of maintenance your property needs depends largely on the type of property you own, so let's break it down. For residential homes, the focus is often on day-to-day repairs. Leaky taps, electrical compliance, and roof repairs are common issues. Seasonal checks, like clearing gutters before rainy seasons, can help you avoid bigger problems down the line. For apartments, you need to consider both individual units and shared spaces. As a property owner, you might handle interior maintenance like painting and plumbing, while the body corporate covers communal areas, elevator servicing, and exterior painting. With Airbnb properties, the turnover is high. Frequent deep cleaning, appliance checks, and quick repairs are key to keeping guests happy and maintaining high ratings. And don't forget about load shedding. Investing in backup power solutions can make all the difference. For commercial office spaces, tenants expect reliable HVAC systems, lighting, and internet infrastructure. Regular inspections for fire safety compliance are also crucial. Retail spaces often require upkeep of storefronts, parking areas, and signage. Ensuring good drainage can prevent flooding during our rainy seasons. For industrial properties, the focus is on machinery servicing and structural integrity. For example, a warehouse might need regular checks after extreme weather events. Don't forget other property types. On agricultural land, for instance, maintaining irrigation systems is critical. And for mixed-use developments, you'll need to balance residential and commercial maintenance schedules to avoid disruption. Preventative maintenance means addressing issues before they become bigger, more expensive problems. For example, by inspecting roofs annually, you can avoid costly water damage during our rainy seasons. Regular plumbing and electrical inspections are equally important. The benefits? You save money, retain tenants, and stay compliant with regulations. It's a win-win. As a savvy investor, it's essential to set aside a maintenance fund. Think of it as an insurance policy against unexpected costs. A good rule of thumb is to allocate 1 to 3% of your property's annual income for maintenance. For sectional title schemes, sinking funds are often used to plan for big projects like repainting or major repairs. This approach ensures you're always prepared for what's ahead. Did you know that maintenance expenses can reduce your tax liability? Ordinary repairs and upkeep, like fixing a broken pipe or repainting, are deductible. However, major renovations or improvements, which are considered capital expenses, are not. You are allowed to write these expenses off over time through depreciation, however, so make sure that you keep proper records for tax and legal purposes. As a general rule of thumb, keep your invoices and receipts for at least 5 years. For Airbnb owners, there's an added bonus: you can claim depreciation on furniture and fittings. Always keep detailed records to make tax season a breeze. Sustainability is becoming more important for South African investors. Consider installing solar panels or rainwater tanks to save costs and stay ahead of load shedding and water restrictions. Remember to stay compliant with South African building codes. This includes electrical compliance certificates, fire safety checks, and more. Lastly, keep your tenants informed about maintenance schedules. Clear communication builds trust and minimizes inconvenience for everyone. Insurance is an essential part of property maintenance. As a property investor, having the right coverage can protect you from unexpected repair costs and other liabilities. Let's break it down. Most standard property insurance policies cover certain maintenance-related issues that arise from unforeseen events, such as storm damage, burst pipes, or fire. However, regular wear and tear and negligence are usually excluded from coverage. It's critical to read your policy carefully. For properties like industrial or commercial buildings, consider specialized insurance plans that cover equipment breakdowns or structural damage caused by operations. Similarly, Airbnb hosts may want to explore tailored plans that include guest liability. Here's a tip: insurers may deny claims if you neglect preventative maintenance. For instance, failing to address a leaking roof could result in a denied claim for water damage. Regular inspections and servicing can reduce your risk and strengthen your claim in case of an incident. Think about adding coverage for floods, earthquakes, or vandalism, depending on your property's location and use. In South Africa, some areas are more prone to severe weather, so it's worth assessing the specific risks for your properties. To sum up, insurance is your safety net, but it works best alongside proactive maintenance. A well-maintained property lowers your risks and ensures smooth claims when needed. Don't wait, review your policies today. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to property maintenance in the South African context. Remember, maintenance is more than a cost, it's an investment in the long-term value of your property. By planning ahead, setting aside funds, and understanding the tax benefits, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your returns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest property maintenance challenge? We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.
Thank you for being part of the EDPF Academy #1 Million Title Deeds project. We hope you will continue your journey to property ownership with us by registering for our Academy course at www.edpfacademy.app or visit our main site at www.edpf.co.za for more information about the Enterprise Development Property Fund.